day between the two. And as far as termination they concerned, within the law talk, we say anybody will employ you, if he sack you. Yeah? So some kind of company, they will say, if they give you letter of employment, you go see, say, they no right termination, they can't sack you. You can't the one that say, why the guy sack me now? My letter, you know, get lawyer, you know, put termination clause there, you know, get right to sack me. That one no matter whether you do your contract or you
I think I say, if employ you, if he sack you, now, no, if you like go up and down.
Exactly. So if he sack you, and once he sack you, within the law, even as if you don't talk, say, okay, we go sack you, within the law talk, say, if you want sack you, you're supposed to give you reasonable time. Normally, most contracts of employment, people they talk say if you be junior staff, they say one month. But then she say, this guy, you're too hot. I like this madam, she's too brilliant. I don't want me to leave. I talk say 6 month notice. So if I give you notice for your contract, before they sack you, you're supposed to give you that notice.
If you give person notice, say go sack. What you gonna make me come there, keep myself for work now?
No, but what is some people they do? We say instead of them give you that notice, they talk say make I pay you 6 months in lieu of notice. When they say 6 months in lieu of notice, that means say I will pay you your salary for that 6 month period.
Yes.
Or if the contract no talk anything, say that they sack you. If your guy won't sack you, suppose look and say waiting there reasonable. You know if you talk say you won't give me 1 day notice. If you give me 1 day notice, that one don't make sense. If I go court, I go free chop money for court. Say how you go give me 1 day, how you go give me 3 days notice. You know I get 7 picking for house, I get 2 wives, they can't give me 1 day notice. So the court will talk say waiting day reasonable. And normally if they happen,
you know go be happen.
Let's say you be palm sec down. And but they can't talk say as you see your face, say you know like you say you wear short skirts come office. You can say because of that I won't sack you. If they sack you, if you go court, they feel reinstate you because that one will be public servant. Public servant, they don't just push you. And so you go see some people that one guy say I want to work for government, I want to work for government.
Because government, they not sack you anyhow.
They collect salary to that. Government, whether you sabi, you know sabi, they will promote you. Don't be promoted, don't be sack you. Because before they sack you for government, the procedure too long. A lot of people they will say that they suffer one kind of thing. They don't say their gas sack them maybe because they get hepatitis or because their wife get belly or because then this person or they be deeper life or something. If you know that kind or your guy they toast you, know can't grieve for her, they can't sack you. If you get evidence to show say that they will chance you. If you prove them, then if you win.
Everybody when they are alleged, when they are charged for a crime, the law take them as innocent until proven guilty. You know, say the police and law enforcement, most of them or some of them, you know what they do be say if they carry person, now the person go prove in innocence. Yes. You're not supposed to be. They're supposed to investigate properly. Now they go come prove the guilt of
whether
the person
they innocent
or not. No, be saying that the person will come, they look for evidence, say this and this and that. So section 6, contact say every person with in charge with criminal offense shall be entitled to, they can't list some things. 1, they go inform them promptly the offense when you commit. In detail, in the language where you understand. No, be say you go carry out someone and say, you want to kill, you go come the talk on where you know understand. No. You go talk say I won't do my case myself. If like DSS they do them, if they catch you, they no go give you chance to lawyer. You know they do them when they still they do them up to now. You get cases where they do now. You understand? Where they try to into it, say then tell them, then give standing order say this one as they suspect them for this particular crime. No allow them lawyer. No allow then give then.
Which means you don't sentence the person.
They don't sentence, so it happen well. Particularly when it has to do with issue, you know that they believe say if so far when there be crime at a point. For instance, if today a new law come out, we make something crime.
Of love, something
yes,
you do last
person
year.
We can't do something last year. They don't come carry and say come.
Now you don't.
Now you don't become law. That's the way you do last week. You don't become law this week, so we go carry you. They don't become.
Got your back bonita. We be chillin' Copacabana. Me and you gum like Dolce & Gabbana. Shebi wallow cover me, even go to Bambamija. They batting for sick on your tossy got with manager. Them say I be bad boy like CBU, but you know send me still the two savage. Show the money,
all right, so now welcome back on Sunday Night Show. Today on Monday we discuss most questions. We take questions from all of our wedding house. Anything we concern law matter. Now the one when we say concern medical rights, you landlord and the tenant, employer and employee.
DSS,
police,
DSS, police, DSS, army.
That police own.
No, DSS.
That DSS, brother, that DSS own. I'm not sure anybody will feel do them anything about that thing. But that police own. You get what in police you always do. I talk that thing that day off. One day, I've been go see Fino for us that day. They drive, come out from. I've been go see somebody for us that day. They drive, come out from that Chevron. Now so they drive, follow me. Wow, park, come on, gone. Ka. when they come down. I say, I can't. Me, I don't do that thing. I just sit down like this. When you come, me cannot say I not do anything. You just come. I can't carry my ID card. Come show them. Now you. Now wow. You got drop some. One day, I can't carry that grey color car for Aja. For one eatery waiting for that place. Now so you carry for contact me from the front. Pa! Come down. Who owns this motor? Now me the driver, now me get him. Where do you live? What do you do?
You wear this out there?
No, I just what do I do? I say my name is Nedu. I work with Wazobia FM. Nedu, come see Nedu. Come see Abo. Okay, come. How far now? I saw the customer picture.
Selfie.
They take selfie that day now. If I can't go. So that thing, you go, he did right.
Which one now? Say the snap selfie.
No,
not be Hello, good evening.
Woo! Say.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, yeah.
I better ask us your question, sir.
Yeah, I want to talk on Wazobia, the program that is going on now.
Ask you question when you get to ask.
Okay, it is for zero.
Zero? Okay, now zero, Abi.
The zero program that is going on.
Thank you very much. Good night. God bless you. Sleep well. Peace before you sleep. Oh. Now, the question I want to ask now who they... Because...
No, they say those policemen, they stop you.
Yes, all those unnecessary ginger.
Unnecessary
No, they're supposed they civilize. If you never even travel, they watch him.
I don't know.
They will tell you, say, sorry, please.
Oh,
yes.
Police.
Because
I think if cops today, now they will go no say police now friends. But as still be now, they still be our enemy.
Yes, so.
Until police go
true now.
treat you with courtesy. Nobody say they go just see you, judge you immediately, say, this one will be Yahoo. This one will be... Even if not criminal, you go see... You see get
even if not criminal,
you go see that consciously. Not be you go... Now your own are to arrest and charge. Now for the court to sentence. Not be you go just arrest and pronounce sentence.
Now so then they thief.
Yes. So
they slap you, idiot. Now. See then, Chika, good evening, Biko. Ask your question.
He don't come back. He don't laugh finish. Now him be the
Chika.
Yeah.
You don't laugh finish. Ask your question.
Good evening, Nedu.
Good evening again.
I have two questions to ask. Yeah,
Okay,
Nedu, good evening.
Again, good evening. Ask your questions, I beg. Again.
Yeah, I have two questions to ask. One is concerning the landlord, and one is concerning the police.
Okay.
The landlord own. I got married last year.
Congratulations.
I got married last year, and I changed my car. The landlord served me a paper that I increase my length.
Because I say you change motor.
Yeah.
You said why you go change motor?
And I disagreed with that. You gave me a quit notice. Is that right?
Okay, that's number one. Then number two.
Number two, is it right for a policeman to stop you and ask the person sitting in front of the car to come down? Then he enters into the car.
All right, no wahala. Thank you very much, Chika. I'm still if you end the call now, make lawyer answer your questions.
Lawyer. What's the person no here now? Ha, is it your motor?
On top the landlord matter, I didn't say, say it gets as you go talk sometimes. You have to, these human relations supposed they there. Particularly when they do people will get power pass you. Now you get in house. Now you get in house. But when you know Yoruba they say fele kebosi, now you say make they take softly, they shout. You understand? If you want shout, you go even do and softly. You understand that kind of thing. But if they talk, nobody you get house. You know if you just they claim rights. You understand? If you talk, countable. If you know if you talk to them, get people where go fee talk to them. You understand? I think that way you won't be getting yourself into what you're getting yourself into. That is one. Number two is that the landlord must also be able to justify
The quit notice.
Another thing, I think I talk when we talk issue of tenancy. Say if your landlord increase your rent, and you can't say that rent where your landlord increase, you know the commensurate with waiting day applicable in that area.
Okay.
Now what's something where if you go court for? Say court, please.
For example, you did
shook man for this.
You pay rent.
You pay 2.5 million Lekki rent. You understand? So like that. So if you go court, so there is a leeway sort of in this matter, but it depends on how the matter is presented and how the court sees it. For instance, if the landlord say he won't use the house for his personal, his son born, they won't put on there. Nothing where you
don't get anything. Like talk
so most times it's good make we they calm down, they discuss issues. You know if they brag, you know if they arrogant. Many things where they put many tenants into trouble, and we say that the arrogance. You understand? Not be your house. You go if you get human relations, you go survive. Many things not going to enter into many trouble. I never seen when I enter trouble with my landlady before. Even though there was a time it wanted to happen, but I went to meet her and I discussed with her amicably, and she understood, and that is it. Not be me guys. I'm gonna do.
How much didn't I pay you?
Ngwanu, the second question, will come down from the motor and you enter the motor. That's my own.
There's no clear-cut answer. Police get right to arrest a vehicle if it is suspected that the occupant of that vehicle has committed a crime. You understand? And he go at least now one more they go take arrest. He no go stand for front of car. Car they come. Okay.
Come now from which motor?
It's just so everything depends on the situation and what's happen.
You don't see my leg.
Anyway, anyway, before we come out, lawyer talk say police not be our friend now until their mode of approaching change. Until they begin. You don't say police go just stop it. Hello. One above talk like they say police stop for Nigeria, for Lagos here, for mainland, say police stop and say just pee in compact. Say please park, sir. And please can you come down from your car, sir? In come down. So sir, please can you give us your driver's license? We want to go through your driver's license, please. You can't give them driver's license. Say in could they shock police, Nigerian police. Cause say yes. So please, actually the problem is you. Do you know why we're arresting you, sir? He said, no. Because this road you're plying is one way. You are not meant to take one way, and you are endangering the life of the citizens. So please, sir, we are arresting you for this. I say, hey, I don't know. No problem. Sorry. But I don't know saying one way. I don't know. Okay, because you do not know it's one way, next time, please make sure you don't pass this one-way lane. You can take. Now the guy wake up from dream.
I just want like big dream.
The guy wake up.
Anyway, is it right for the police to ask the engine number of your vehicle, even if you have shown them the chassis number?
Mechanical police.
Your engine number. You want thief the motor.
Anyway, double challenge everybody. We call us on top of the show today, and also with others people will tweet as well. Next week Monday again, we go take every questions when we say consign law matter
across board. Law enforcement, strike, undo sir, can be employee. That one.
Spiritual cases not there. Anyway, marriage matter or any case when we say you will consign law, ask write and down next week Monday. Our able lawyer go there to take for answer the question. From us this night, good night.
To enjoy more of these our ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.